Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Edge 70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, click on Do Not Disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off Do Not Disturb. After turn off Do Not Disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time. You will see click on restart. After click on restart, after restarting enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification not working on Edge 17 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.